Spirit the horse stood tall in the green field. His mane blew gently in the wind. Spirit the horse was strong and fast. He loved to run. Spirit the horse felt the sun warm on his back. He lowered his head to eat the sweet grass. Munch, munch, went Spirit the horse. The grass was tasty and fresh. Other horses were nearby. Spirit the horse felt happy being with his friends. He lifted his head and neighed. Neeeeigh, went Spirit the horse. It was a happy sound. Spirit the horse decided it was time for a run. He shook his mane. He pushed off with his strong legs. Gallop, 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 went Spirit the horse. He ran across the wide open field. His tail streamed out behind him. The wind rushed past Spirit the horse. He felt fast and free. He galloped faster and faster. The ground thundered under his hooves. Spirit the horse felt the joy of running. He ran for a long time. Finally, Spirit the horse slowed down. He felt warm and happy. He walked back towards his horse friends. They nuzzled him gently. Spirit the horse lowered his head again. He ate some more grass. Being a horse is wonderful, thought Spirit the horse. He could eat good food and run fast. Spirit the horse stood proudly in the field. He was ready for whatever came next.